Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and let me introduce you to a sustainable, functional, and absolutely gorgeous cooler. Now this cooler is from Out of the Woods and I just love everything about it. Now it is made from super natural paper, so when you get it, it is going to feel like paper because, well, it is. But what's amazing about that is it's really just an improvement on paper. It's created from responsibly sourced materials, which I absolutely love. I also love just the amazing capacity that this cooler has. The main compartment area is huge. It can fit enough for a few people to take on a picnic, but I also like to use it for keeping my groceries cool while I bring them home. It's very convenient that it has the mesh zipper on the top, which was perfect for me to store napkins and some silverware for easy access. The inside has a really nice, easy to clean, thick lining. The thick lining contributes to really just keeping my food cold, which I appreciated. So I packed this in the morning with an ice pack just inside, and probably approximately 4-ish hours later, our food was still cold when we went to go eat it. Personally, I'm always trying to find better options. So I loved when I read portion of the mission from Out of the Woods, which said they're trying to create lasting products with better materials. And utilizing this cooler, I really can see that that mission is true. This is a beautiful cooler that is so durable. This cooler from Out of the Woods is absolutely top notch. I love that it keeps my food cold, but I also love the uniqueness and beautiful design of it. And that's just my point of view.